Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I am great. What about you?
We are also doing great. As we are
Yeah.
meeting this time, so please introduce yourself.
Okay. It is my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Ashishika. I am from India, Jharkhand, and I have done my bachelor degree in arts stream. And recently, I am working and doing a job in a private sector. And also, I am preparing for the competitive examination. And regarding my family background, I have 7 members in my family, and I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters in my family. If I talk about my hobbies, I like singing songs. Also, I like connecting with different people and learn the English language. That's all about myself. So I am also meeting for the first time. So I would also like to know about yourself. So would you like to introduce both of them?
Yes, definitely. It's our pleasure. So thank you very much as you have given me an opportunity to introduce myself. So first of all, I would like to tell you that my name is Muwaj bin Masood and I'm from Dinajpur district, Bangladesh. I hope you know Bangladesh. And this is my sister. We are siblings and twins baby. We study in same class, class 7. So I think that's all about us. So
Yeah.
please let my sister introduce herself.
Thank you
Okay.
much for giving me an opportunity to tell about myself. This is Maliha binte Masood. I study in class 7. As you can see, this is Muwaj and he's my brother. We are siblings as well as we are twins. I'm from Dinajpur in Bangladesh. I hope you know about Bangladesh. I think this is about myself.
Okay. It was really great and nice introduction from both sides.
Okay, so brother, it is not your English is not your mother language. Hindi or other language is your mother language. So how did you learn this language? What's your English journey? Please share us.
Realized about myself that when I was child and when I was studying in my school, I was not aware and I was not knowing I was not knowing the single word of English. But as I grew and I went to the high school, I realized that I am very weak in English. I have to learn the language. Whenever I need to learn this, I have to practice. So I decided to learn and started learning slowly. When I was in high school, I was very weak in English. I was not getting pass marks even. I was very weak. Then when I when my exam was going on, I was not getting pass marks also. I was getting very less marks. Then somehow I passed my matriculation. Then I realized that I have to learn this language. This because of this is a global language. When I learn, then it will be very useful. Then I decided to learn it, and I joined for the tuition class. And I did tuition class for at least 6 months. Then also I was not able to speak. I could understand little bit, but I was not able to speak. So slowly I started to learn the words and the sentence, and whoever my friends were there, I tried to speak some small sentences, some small words to learn. That's why now I am little bit able to speak and understand the language. That's all.
Yes, we got it. What are you saying? So we are so interested to know about your country. Please tell me about your country.
So the name of my country is India. You know it very well, and I live in the country of India and state of Jharkhand. Have you heard about Jharkhand?
Yes, we have enough knowledge about Jharkhand.
Yeah. So I am from Jharkhand, and I have not gone away from my Jharkhand state, and I am living in Jharkhand, and that is the district of Gumla. So it is a very good, nice place. Have you been ever in Gumla or Jharkhand?
No.
You have not been.
How many populations are there in your country?
In my country, around I think 29, 29 crore or something. But exactly, I am not remembering the number.
How many states are there in your country?
In my country, there are 28 states are there, and 8 territory countries are there. Union territories.
Can you tell us that your country is some historical place?
Yes, yes, there are many historical places in my country, but I have not gone out of my Jharkhand. Therefore, I have not visited much places. As I know that I have visited in Jharkhand some of the historical places like some one is there, Patratu Valley is there, and one historical place is near of my district, that is Tanginath Dham is there. I have visited there, and also one is there, Anjan Dham. That is also a historical place. I have visited there. That's all about that.
You can speak in English. When have you started your English journey?
Yeah, I have started this language to learn since 1 month. I am working. Before I had done my spoken class and I was able to understand, but I was not able to speak out. So I have been practicing this language since 1 month. So I would also like to know something about yourself. So how since how long you have been working on this language to learn?
Yes, we have been working 7 or 8 months in this language. We have started our journey on May 2023, and in this small journey, we have learned a number of things about English. So, first, when I was in class 6, I started to listen more and more to started to watch English cartoon. In that time, when I was in class 6, when I started my journey, in that time I listened more and more, especially English cartoon and English lecture. I think first of all, who wants to learn English, they should listen more and more. And after that, I tried to do something, especially I tried to make some sentence in English. So I think through this processing, I have learned this language, and in that time I practiced a lot, and that is why nowadays I can speak in English, not only that time but also in this time I'm practicing. And this is why I made a YouTube channel, created a YouTube channel to practicing purpose.
Do you have
Yeah,
any YouTube?
yeah, I have a YouTube channel. Recently, I have opened it, and I am running YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Ashish Ekka English World.
How many
Yeah,
subscribers do you have?
yeah, I am a beginner. I am a new on this platform. Therefore, I have very few numbers. There are only 20 followers, 29 followers, subscribers are there. So
Okay, great. How many videos have you uploaded there?
I have uploaded videos, at least English conversation videos uploaded around 9 or 10 maybe.
Okay, that's great. How do you improve your spoken English? Especially, I want to tell you that what do you do to improve your spoken English?
Yeah, I try to learn this language, and every day I practice this to improve. And I read the newspaper, and also I watch some videos on YouTube, some conversation videos from YouTube, and I try to learn them. Whenever I get some words, some new words, I write down, and I write the meaning, that Hindi and English also, and I try to use them. And also I read some books. I have louder to speak English. That's the reason I am getting it slowly, and I am able to understand little bit. So I
In which
also want to know that, what do you do to improve your English language?
Yes, I do a number of work to learn this language. Especially, this is my sister Maliha. I talked with her in English. Yes, especially, I practice a lot. Where I in my house, in my home, I made an environment to speak in English. Yes, and I actually watch English videos also. Every single day I'm trying to actually make conversational video like this is with other people or of other corner of the world. And so I think if I do it, my spoken English will be increasing day by day. So this is why I'm doing to improve myself.
Yeah, yeah. Do you do any class for this to learn?
No, we don't do any class, but we actually study in a private.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That is good. You
I
are
can ask my sister some questions because she's not speaking too much.
okay, okay. Let her
No problem.
ask.
Okay,
Listening.
no problem. No need to.
Okay, okay. You may ask.
What do you feel that you can speak English?
Repeat again.
What do you feel that you can speak in English?
Yes. Uh, I feel that I am not able to understand. Whenever I read, I can read. Whenever I write. But I can write. But whenever I try to speak, and most of the things I forget. What am I saying, and what I am going to say? That I feel that my mind is blank. Nothing comes in my mind. So I feel little difficult. What to say? How to start? I don't get anything in my mind. How to start?
You can ask several questions.
Okay, okay. So, how to get fluent in this language?
What? Please, once again.
How should I? How? What are the ideas? What should I do to improve this language? I am asking some questions.
Okay, first time you have to listen more and more, and you have to always follow all of advice that you should practice. It's the main target that you have to practice more and more. Then you will be able to speak English fluently. I think that you have to speak in English every single day. And as well as you have to study English, and these are the reasons. And if you do in this way, I think that you of course speak in English fluently.
Yes, yes. I realized that from my childhood only, I studied in Hindi medium school. So till now, I am studying in Hindi medium school, and I am preparing for the competitive examination. And I read Hindi books only. Therefore, I get little time to practice English, and therefore it is difficult for me to speak English little.
Are you practicing speaking English every single day?
Yeah, yeah, I am trying to practice every day. I am trying to connect with different people every day and trying to connect with people. I have to do my studies also, therefore, I have not much time to practice. I try to take also only 2 or 3 sessions per day. That is the reason I think that I am not getting it well, and I am unable to speak good English.
Okay. Okay, so do you have any future plan to come our country, Bangladesh?
Okay, surely I will come. I will. My future plan is to go foreign countries for my tour, but let us see what happens. If I will get chance to go, I will go.
Okay, are you married? Single.
Yeah, yeah, I have married recently. Uh, I have I got married in month of December.
Okay, that's great. Congratulations. And so, Actually, I want to tell you that you are practicing a lot or to learn this language. Your speaking English too, is very great. So I will highly suggest you that keep practicing. Practice is must for us as you will reach your goals. It will be so fantastic if you practice every single day. Actually, it is a different type of language. You have to actually, if you say that nobody taught you Hindi, you can speak in English Hindi from your childhood because you listened more and more this language. It's same to us. We have listened Bangla since our childhood. That is why we can speak in Bangla fluently. If you listen more and more in English, then you will be able to speak in English. Just then you have to practice more and more.
Okay, okay, okay. It was really nice advice for me. I will try and I will try to take more sessions every day and I will try to speak more so that I may get fluent and I may get fluently in English language. So really it was very nice session. You gave your precious time and I
Oh,
could get something and I could learn something from you. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart.
so will you upload this video on your YouTube channel?
Yeah, I will upload my this video. I will edit it and I will try to upload it. Because of
So
by uploading, I can
I think
see that.
I
Yeah, yeah.
think we should make two conversation. This conversation I will take and second conversation you will take for your YouTube channel.
Okay, okay, okay,
I will call you again.
okay. Nice to talk to you.
So have a good
Okay,
day.
have a good day.
Okay,
Bye.
same to you. Bye.